Hey guys, did you know that you can load and unload a resource using an assistant? Another resource. So a human can help you to put products on a mobile robot, or then you can put another manipulator on the mobile robot to load and unload parts for you. This tutorial today will teach you how to do that. Reza is here, welcome. This layout that you can see in front of you is a process modeling layout. If you don't know how to make one, please go to academy.visualcomponents.com and go to the introduction course of process modeling. There you will get a bunch of basics how to create a process modeling layout. I would also upload the layout into Academy next to the video tutorial, so you can start from the same point as me. Now let's go to Process tab. What I will do over here is to click on Flow, choose from Conveyor Process, Mobile Robot Controller, then the Sync. When you press play, mobile robot goes to pick the cylinder from point A to point B, or from loading point to unloading point. But now, what I would like to do is to help human picking the part from here and put it on the mobile robot. That's not really a difficult job to do. Click on the link. There is the load assist and unload assist property. They both work the same way. I would just choose for this load assist human transport controller. Press play. That's it. Human goes to pick the part and then put it on the mobile robot. But somehow this guy is like David Copperfield. He goes through stuff. That is something that we would like to maybe a bit improve. So what I'm gonna do is to press reset. Then I would deactivate this link. Click on this from conveyor process and change resource offset transformation along Y to be 4 times more, so 2 meters. This value is updated. If I press play again, Mr. Otto, or our David Copperfield, comes in between of the product and then the loading location and waits for the mobile robot to come, then loads the part. What if I want Mr. Otto to be over here? For that we need to create a frame under modeling tab. Then I would go to resource location. Under this transformation, under features, there is the frame. I would name it AssistLocation. So when a frame with this name is created, then the resource will go there to use it as the assisting location. Let's press play. You see Mr. Otto goes there, waits for the mobile robot to come, then goes, delivers the part to the mobile robot. Now there is another question. What if we have a robot manipulator and we want that to be installed on the mobile robot to deliver the parts from the loading location on the mobile robot? For that, we need a robot controller. Let's go and have a look on this guy. There is a pedestal diameter. Let's put it to 150. And then pedestal height. Let's put it to, say, 100. And we have this UR5 robot. I would just attach it to the robot controller. Then I'm gonna choose the mobile robot. Let's actually choose back this pedestal and snap. And then let's put this robot maybe in one of the corners. I would put it somewhere here. The only thing now we need to do is to attach that pedestal to the mobile robot. Let's go back to Home tab and click on Attach and attach the robot controller to the mobile robot. And you can see also here in the message, setting robot controller parent to mobile robot. Now what I need is to just go back to Process tab, Flow, and the link. So we change this load assist to be what? Yes, robot controller. Also the unload assist to be robot controller, and press play. So robot comes here. Nothing happens. Why? Let's go to output. P1, position is out of reach of the robot. Why? Of course, the robot cannot reach this long distance. So let's go back to the from conveyor process component and change that back to 500. The loading location, and press play. Now robot comes here. Exactly. Picks the part and put it on the mobile robot. Thank you, Mr. Robot, for your assistance. Also, same thing for the unloading point. Now I would also actually put maybe a couple of parts on this mobile robot. If we click over here and we go under transport, we see that the capacity is 2, but it's just picking 1. Now let's just go to the sync and ask for 2 parts. Start transport in and then wait for the parts to be transported in. This is a simultaneous request. There are tutorials about this on our academy. Just go and have a look over there. But now I would just press play. Mobile robot goes and picks 2 parts, 2 cylinders, and comes to deliver those 2. Beautiful. That's great. That's what I wanted to show you for this tutorial. Hopefully you got some idea how to use the loading and unloading assistance. If you have more questions, open a discussion on our forum, and as usual, have a good one and bye for now.